Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy! You want more information about how to use a Woodman barbecue smoker? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to use a Woodman barbecue smoker is www.shootforum.com. Specifically the page titled www.shootforum.com, the Woodman Complete Smoker. Here's the link. You can also try uk.qacollections.com, especially the page How to Use a Woodman Barbecue Smoker. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site bighow.net. The web page How to Use a Woodman Barbecue Smoker at Food and Drink. Here's the link.